Time to make the cookies. This is the second batch. Made some yesterday. Took them over to the fire station. These are the ones I'm working on today. Chocolate chip. As far as the eye can see. Some peanut butter with kisses on them. Kisses to you. Then we have some peanut butter that I like to dip. Let me show you what I do. This is my favorite part. Get a cookie. Put it in the chocolate. Dip it and shake it down. Put it on some wax paper. Get the next one. Dip it in the chocolate. Shake it down. Shake and wiggle a little bit while you're rocking out to Christmas music. Put it on the wax paper. Then we'll let those harden up, and they're ready to go. So, those are the Christmas cookies. Merry Christmas.